In this video, we listed the 5 best 3D printers under $300 that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. FLASHFORGE 5M 3D Printer. The FLASHFORGE Adventura 5M is a cutting-edge 3D printer designed for efficiency, precision, and ease of use. Featuring fully automatic one-click leveling, it eliminates the need for manual Z-axis calibration, ensuring flawless first layers and high-quality prints. With a core XY structure, it achieves speeds of up to 600 mm per second and rapid acceleration of 20,000 mm², making it highly efficient. The printer includes advanced features like quick-change nozzles, filament detection, and power recovery for uninterrupted printing. It supports multiple materials: PLA, PETG, TPU, PLACF, PETGCF, with flexible nozzle diameter options, 0.25 mm to 0.8 mm, for high precision or efficiency. The dual-sided PEI platform ensures easy print removal, while vibration compensation eliminates ghosting for blur-free results. Perfect for both beginners and experts, the Adventura 5M offers seamless operation, quick setup, and superior performance for creative projects. Number 2. Creality Ender 3v3 SE Printer. The Creality Ender 3v3 SE is a high-performance 3D printer designed for speed, precision, and ease of use. With a maximum printing speed of 250 mm per second and 2500 mm² acceleration, it significantly reduces printing time by up to 73% while maintaining excellent quality. It features an upgraded Sprite full metal dual-gear direct extruder, ensuring smooth and reliable filament feeding for materials like PLA, TPU, and PETG. The printer is equipped with advanced features like CR Touch Auto Leveling, a strain sensor for auto Z offset, dual Z-axis lead screws for stability, and Y-axis linear shafts for enhanced accuracy. Pre-assembled for convenience, it takes only 20 minutes to set up and start printing. The Ender 3v3 SE also supports automatic filament loading and unloading, making it user-friendly. Creality offers a 12-month after-sales service for support and assistance. This upgraded model is ideal for users seeking a fast, reliable, and easy-to-use 3D printer. Number 3. Sovol SV06 3D Printer. The Sovol SV06 3D printer is a versatile and user-friendly device designed for both household and industrial use. It features a classic i3 structure, which eliminates the need for frequent wool replacements and ensures durability. With the ability to upgrade its print speed from 50 mm per second to 150 mm per second through firmware updates, the SV06 offers enhanced performance. Its self-developed all-metal direct drive extruder with a planetary dual-gear system ensures accurate extrusion, while the 300 high-temperature printing capability supports a wide range of materials. The printer includes a 25-point auto-leveling system with an inductive sensor for precise bed leveling, a flexible PEI-coated build plate for easy print removal, and a 220 by 220 by 250 mm print size suitable for everyday use. Additionally, the SV06 is equipped with a self-developed 32-bit silent board featuring TMC2209 drivers for quiet and stable operation. The modular design allows for quick assembly in just 5 steps, making it an excellent choice for beginners and advanced users alike. Number 4. MALYAN MA10 3D Printer. The MALYAN MA10 Mini 3D Printer is a high-quality, user-friendly device designed for both beginners and experts. It features a heated, removable magnetic build plate that can reach 100, making the removal of prints and bed cleaning simple and efficient. Equipped with a reliable GVE power supply, it ensures safety against power surges while supporting fast heating and long-duration printing. The printer is easy to assemble, requiring only 12 screws and 3 cables, making it an excellent STEM educational tool for learning about mechanical engineering and electronics. Its dual Y-gantry design provides a stable base, reducing wobble and enhancing print quality. With lifetime technical support and 24-hour customer service, the MALYAN MA10 Mini 3D printer offers a reliable and hassle-free 3D printing experience. Number 5. Creality Ender 3S1. The Creality Ender 3v3ke 3D printer is a high-performance and user-friendly device designed for faster and more precise 3D printing. With a maximum speed of 500 mm per second and 8000 mm² acceleration, it allows efficient model creation while reducing vibrations, ringing, blobs, and oozes using smart algorithms. The printer features a precise linear rail for ultra-smooth motion, a robust steel build for durability, and supports printing at 300 degrees Celsius, accommodating various filaments such as Hyper-PLA, PETG, ABS, TPU, and ASA. It is easy to assemble and operate, offering one-click printing through the Creality Cloud mobile app, which also provides access to free models for enhanced creativity. The device includes smart self-testing for Z offset and auto-leveling, and it can be controlled via Wi-Fi on a PC or smartphone, making it suitable for beginners, kids, and families. Additional features include a 60W ceramic heater for high-speed filament melting, dual-model cooling fans for improved print quality, and connectivity options like LAN and cloud printing for efficient management of multiple printers. This 3D printer combines advanced technology with ease of use, fostering creativity and innovation effortlessly.